Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fivem with Grand Theft Auto V Enhanced. First, make sure you own a legitimate copy of Grand Theft Auto V and that it is fully installed on your computer. Fivem is a popular modification framework that allows you to play on custom dedicated servers, offering unique role-playing experiences and game modes. It's a fantastic way to extend your Grand Theft Auto V adventures beyond the standard game. Let's get started. Now, let's install the Fivem client. Once you have downloaded the Fivem exe file, simply run it. The installer is designed to be very user-friendly and will typically find your Grand Theft Auto V installation automatically. If it asks, just point it to your main Grand Theft Auto V game directory. The client will then download any additional files it needs, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. It's a straightforward process. With Fivem installed, you're ready to join a server and start playing. Launch the Fivem application and you'll see the main menu. From there, navigate to the server browser. You can filter servers by various criteria, such as game mode, language, or the number of players online. Once you find a server that looks interesting, simply click the Connect button. The game will then load you directly into that server's world. Enjoy exploring. To make the most of your Fivem experience, here are a few important tips. Always remember to read and follow the specific rules of any server you join. This is crucial for a good experience and to avoid being banned. Many Fivem communities have Discord servers or forums where you can find help and connect with other players. Keeping your graphics drivers updated will also ensure smoother gameplay. Most importantly, have fun and explore the vast world of Fivem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.